So, this is Alexander 23, and I decided to show everybody before I hand this piece off to its owner. This is a commissioned work that I did for a gentleman. His son for Christmas actually wanted me to build a butterfly switchblade. Now, I don't really know a whole lot about blades. Hold on one second. Put you down for just a moment. Alright. But yeah, so you just hook it like that, and I think it turned out pretty nicely. And I used the tiling with the inner line. This part right here was like the biggest challenge. Hold on, I want to pull this back apart and put it back together. This part right here, you think that's like really easy, but building it was like a real challenge. But, well, I thought I'd show this real quick. And I hope everybody enjoys my piece for my butterfly knife switchblade. And I hope y'all have a great day.